Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Fixing missing libraries, a comprehensive guide with code examples. Missing libraries, often manifested as errors like ModuleNotFoundError, ImportError, or cannot find lxxx during linking, are a common frustration for developers, especially those working with multiple programming languages, complex projects, or different environments. This guide provides a comprehensive overview of how to diagnose and resolve these issues, covering various scenarios and offering practical code examples. Understanding the problem. What are libraries? At their core, libraries are collections of pre-written code, functions, classes, data structures, etc., that extend the capabilities of a programming language. Instead of writing everything from scratch, developers can leverage these